The Heart of the Tree, written by Henry Coyle Bonner, and he was a well known American novelist and poet. He was born in New York on August 3rd, 1855. He received his education in New York City and he gained a lot of popularity as the editor of the humor magazine called Puck. Then he wrote many short stories and novels. Among his famous novels are A Woman of Honor, written in the year of 1883, then Years from Arcady in the year of 1884, then next one In Partnership in the year of 1884, and final one of the famous novel is that The Midge, that is in the year of 1886, and he passed away on May 11, 1896 by the age of 40 in New Jersey, US. His main occupation was that poet, novelist, and also journalist. Then his poetry reveals a light play of imagination as also his command over poetic structure. One of the main aim of his poem is that the play of imagination. Then the Heart of the Tree by Bonner focuses our attention on the value of tree planting. We know that how we are discriminately felling of trees has led to so many environmental disasters in our times. So in this poem, the poet mainly focused about the importance of planting trees. Then you can see here the poem. The total three stanzas are there. The three stanzas you can see here. Read it very carefully. Then in this poem, the poet used some poetical devices. That is, first one is that metaphor, and second one is alliteration, and third one is imagery. In imagery, the poet mainly used two types of imageries, that is, visual images and auditory images. What is metaphor? Metaphor means it refers to the close likeness between two persons or objects implied and not stated openly. Here we can see one example: sun from yonder skies, that means a metaphor for something impossible to get. Next one, you can see the form of the poem. The form of the poem is a lyric and it is relatively short, consisting of only three stanzas. Each stanza of 9 lines, and that is called as Spenserian stanza. Here, metaphor, examples of metaphor, the poet describes the tree metaphorically as a friend of sun and sky, the flag of breezes free, the forest heritage, the harvest of a coming age. These are the examples of metaphors used in this poem. Then alliteration also there. Then imagery. The poet used two types of imageries are here. First one, visual images, and second one, auditory images. In visual images, we can see the example, the shaft of beauty towering high, and second one, the flag of breezes free. On the other hand, auditory image for song and mother croon of bird. Then you can see the heart of the trees glossary, the heart of the trees poems glossary you can see here. The word meaning, first stanza, second stanza, and third stanza. All the word meanings you can see here. Stanza first, breezes free. Breezes free means gentle wind. Then croon means gentle, sweet song. Then tender, the word meaning tender means gentle or pleasant. Days to be means times to come or future, fade and flesh. The next one, fade and flesh, fade out and then brighten up. Harvest means reward. Then unborn eyes means unborn children. Then alliteration. What is alliteration? Repetition of the same letters or sound within nearby words. Most often repeated initial consonants. Examples of alliteration: why not waste a wild weekend at Westmore Water Park? Alliteration means what? The repetition of the consonant sounds. In this sentence, we can see the repetition of the consonant sound v. Then metaphor. Already we explained what is metaphor. It refers to the close likeness between two persons or objects, implied and not stated openly. A metaphor conveys two or more unlike things without using the words like or as. We know that when we are using the words like or as, that is only in similes. The main points of the poem. The poem focuses on the value of trees. The poem focuses on the value of trees. Then planting trees will benefit all in several ways. Then a tree is a friend of the sun and the sky. Then it ensures cool breezes and cool shade and tender rains in summer. If in our world trees are not there, what will happen? We will not get enough rain, because this rain is very essential for our existence, especially for human beings and or other animals also. Then it ensures growth and welfare of the country. So these are the important points.